Hi guys. So today it's 12th of April. Let me take you all through today's trade. So today market opened gap down and it broke the previous almost 3 to 4 days trading range. So it was very obvious that markets can go bearish. So on the very first minute I went short by shorting 17600C. So I shorted 17600C at the very first minute at 66 rupees with a stop loss of somewhere around 15 points. Yeah, like hardly 15 points as well. I shorted at 66 rupees here. And after this, the trade went very much in my favor. I was in say 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 2.5 risk reward in the very next 30-40 minutes. But yeah, after this, I made the mistake for the day. So here, what I did was I shorted 17,500 CE over here on seeing this red candle at 1050. So my thought process before shorting the C basically was, so today we have a gap down. We've broken almost last 3-4 days range. So I expect, and also after the gap down, the bearish momentum has continued. So I expected the bearish momentum to continue after this short up move and market taking resistance at 20 EMA. So I had shorted 17,500 here. And as soon as I shorted this, I happened to see the bank Nifty chart. And as soon as I saw this, I was like, shit, man, I had taken a wrong trade. Because if you see that at 1050, bank Nifty was pretty much holding the day's low very well. And on the contrary, it had also started making higher lows. So if we say like this is a higher low, and also this low was never breached. So I was convinced that this was a bad trade. So the I was confused whether I should be staying in the trade or waiting for the SL to hit. But as part of discipline, I said, no, no, let's stick to the discipline and whether the SL hits, it's okay, and I'll take the hit. So as decided, the SL hit over here, but I thankfully did not trail this 17600p and I continued to ride it. So over here, somewhere around, I had seen the 17600p, which had sold around 66, 67, go to 23, 24. But yeah, here I didn't book it here. So I after this candle, I was pretty after this candle, this huge green candle, I was pretty convinced. Ki, yeah, like the things have changed and bulls have come like definitely come into action. So somewhere around here, after this candle, I booked my P. So I booked my P somewhere around yeah, 32 rupees. So I booked my 17600p at 32 rupees. So if we see all in all, I gained around 4,000 from this triangle. I gained 6,800 from this 17600C and lost around 2,700 from the 17500C, which definitely I would have avoided. And apart from this, I had taken the 17600 triangle. Here I lost another 12,500 rupees over here. So yeah, like that was okay. Like I have absolutely no regrets in this loss. I am happily taking that. And other than that, I have added quite a few good, very fundamentally sound companies to my long-term portfolio. And yeah, that's it. Like have suffered a loss of 9,000 today. But yeah, like that's it. If you want to become successful on a long term, on a longer term period, so you have to take losses very gracefully. That's it. Thank you.